Good morning guys, welcome to my channel. You're watching Gizmo Obsession. Today we'll be riding to Padav on Jamshedpur Ranchi highway, which is around 79 kilometers from here. All riders were supposed to meet at NDG Motors in Bustapur for some group riding tips and adhering to all road safety norms. Team briefing and riding tips shared by Aman from NDG Motors, as some of the riders are new to this group. Excited to ride in group, we were all geared up and then realized a group pic was missing, and then we shot one. We started the ride and decided to stop near Aditpur toll plaza, where some more riders were supposed to join us. Harishji and Aman from NDG Motors were coordinating this ride. We got to know that some more groups from different locations will be joining us at Padav. Best thing about this ride is that most of us were strangers, yet we rode together. After a short break at Aditpur toll plaza, we again started the ride to our destination. Deepak on Himalayan is marshalling this ride today. I must say, after struggling for years, finally we have beautiful roads connecting two major cities of Jharkhand. These roads have also reduced our traveling time, thanks to the Indian government. Let's have an aerial view and adore the scenic beauty around, which was forbidden until these lanes were constructed. This daredevil shot was taken by Roman from our riding group. He did this by standing in the middle of the road. Here we took a pit stop in the middle of the road for other riders to catch up. While waiting, no one left any opportunity to take pics and videos. This is the turn we had to take under the flyover to reach Padav. If you are coming from Jamshedpur, this will fall on your right hand side. Abhishek, who was riding along with me, is exploring some Insta 360 features. Three rider groups were supposed to meet at Padav. One was NDG group, the other one was Cruiser India, and the last one was Jodi Riders. Jodi Riders were couple riders, husband and wife riding together. Here Harishji is distributing dog tags to all the members of NDG club. While the riders were busy meeting and greeting, these two riders were busy burning out. The energy level of every rider was at peak, as they did not hesitate in grooving to their favorite dance numbers. It felt like a rider mania with so many riders at one place. Some riders were having breakfast inside the restaurant while these guys were enjoying outside. Let's adore the beauty of this place through drone's eye. After having breakfast, we decided to do a short ride with other group of riders. The weather god was in favor of us as it did not rain, otherwise it would be a complete mess. I must not forget to mention we also had few female riders who were riding along. Age is just a number, as we had almost all age group people riding with us. I'm sure I have missed many in my group. My sincere apologies to all. But guys, trust me, this is just a beginning. Riding with so many riders was real fun. Our ride is almost done and will wind up after reaching Padav. End of an amazing ride. We all were ready to head home. The excitement on everyone's face looked as if they wanted to ride more.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one. Only one. I was an ordinary boy.
At the end, I would like to thank every member of this group and NDG team for their support and cooperation. Looking forward to more such rides in the near future. Thank you.
Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout.
Guys, if you liked my video, do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon.